Welcome to Feral Equipment. We have another innovation here from Makita. This is our HR2661 1-inch SDS Plus rotary hammer with HEPA vac attachment. So as you know, everyone has to get OSHA compliant, whether you're drilling or cutting into concrete these days. And Makita has a really nice portable solution to get you there. This is going to do up to a 1-inch solid SDS Plus bit, but it really shines when you're doing 3/8 or 1/2-inch anchors on the job site, which is the majority of most concrete applications. As you can see, the vacuum's built right on board, and it comes that way in the case, so you don't have to worry about buying additional accessories. Once this fills up after you've been drilling, you can very easily take this off of the tool and dump it out, and it locks back into place. You can see we have a nice 7¼ inch travel here for drilling larger holes, as well as the ability to bring it down if you don't need the distance. So what you do is you push the button down, bring the travel arm to where you need it and let it go. And it gets you the distance you need for travel. Now you'll notice that it's only moving about 3 inches. If you need to bring it all the way back out, you push it in, pull it out, and now you've got your full travel length again. You also have a positive stop here for anchors, so if you know you need it to stop at a certain point, you can move that little marker right there, and now it's also going to move your travel depth as well. One hand bit change at the end of the tool right here for ease of use to change bits out, as well as our 3-mode selection switch, which allows you to go from drilling, hammer drilling, and chiseling as well. Now if you have a chisel at the end of the tool and you want to rotate it, all you do is move it to that little dot, and instead of taking the chisel out, you can actually go ahead and rotate this guy and then move it into the chiseling application for ease of use. Makita's HR2661 is a fantastic portable OSHA compliant solution on the job site for all drilling applications.